Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got some dummy units here for these case reviews. These cases don't have any metal in them, so they'll all work with wireless charging for those that are wondering. So this video is just a fit and finish of these cases right here. So we'll start with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We'll try them on here. This first one is a leather case from them. It's looking pretty sweet, actually. Alright. This one right here is a genuine leather brown case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You've got the soft material in here to protect it. The switches out for the vibrate and mute switch. You got like these dark, like charcoal looking buttons, which I really like. They're not black, they're like a charcoal gray. And you got the black ring around here to help with washing out the photos and everything like that. And it's got the bottom cut out. This is how most cases are like this. So we'll pop the phone in. And this is how it looks. So you're gonna get some lip protection around the front, just a little bit, so you have more than enough room to put a tempered glass on there. And then you've got your switch right here inside right there that you can easily get to. Buttons feel nice. I really like this one. And you can see all the cutout around there for your camera. And then this is how it looks on the bottom here. So let's go ahead and go to the next case real quick. We'll get this one, get this video knocked out for you. And once again, shout out to Alexa for sending these over. Pretty nice. And this one right here is kind of a rugged style case. You got a nice little bump here for the power button, volume rocker, mute switch is open there, ports open on the bottom. This one has a cover for the charging port, and then you are set, man. You got everything. Let's try this one on. I've actually used this one before on a different phone, but this is what it looks like. So you've got a nice rugged design, corner protection. Everything's covered. The port is covered down there. Your speaker grills are open, and everything is looking pretty good on here. You got nice. The camera's now a little bit recessed, so that looks good. Obviously, you have lip protection and you have room for a tempered glass, so that works. This is what the case looks like. Nice. All right, let's move to this next case right here. All right, this is kind of like a premium folio style case. So you got a credit card you can put in there, or your ID. This is like a soft material right here for like a silicone case, but they got it on this fabric right here. This is actually really bossed up for real. You got a little Alexa branding right there. Let's get it in. Show and tell, so you can have it, my bad, like this to watch a movie. You definitely have some lip protection, because this is like a best of both worlds, rugged style case, protection or whatever, and then you got the folio, so you can close it up after you get your call going. You can close it up and you're all set. Again, the camera has got a little bit of recess now, and even though this is a folio case, it covers the entire phone, so you got some sort of drop protection, because on the front, you know what I'm saying, this will cover the screen. So that's 3 cases right there for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now we're gonna move over to the iPhone 11. Yes, I have an iPhone 11, but I'm just knocking these out with these dummy units. All right. So this case right here is more along the lines of a drop protection rugged style case. It looks like it's multiple pieces, which it is, but you really don't need to take those off. You've got corner protection all around the sides of this thing, so it's looking pretty fresh. On the inside, you got the little design they have on side for shock absorption and things like that. But let's pop it in, and this is what it looks like. This is a soft matte material. This is really nice. I like this. You got rugged around here, a little grip around the sides. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Power button's a little clicky there. Volume rocker too. Switch is open, and you have a fair amount of lip protection around the front of this case here. This is looking pretty fresh. Ports and everything are open. You can see how deeply the phone is recessed in the case at that angle right there. It's looking pretty good. Let's get on to this blue one here. This is one of their silicone cases that they offer. Really, really nice. I'll put this one on. This one is sweet, yo. This will go good. This is gonna go good with my Thanos, my baby Thanos. This is gonna go real good. It's like a real deep blue. It's built along the lines of the leather cases. It's exactly the same style. You got the buttons, everything nice. It feels clicky, easy access here. Little bit of lip protection going on. So this is this is clean right here, man. This is gonna go great with Thanos, because on camera it probably looks a little bit like a deep purple, but it's actually blue. Now here is their leather. This also gonna go good with my baby Thanos. Yeah, this is the leather version. Same style case and everything. This is just all black. Really feeling this one too. Let's pop this one off. Put this leather joint on. Yeah, this feels good. I'm probably gonna be using both of these for sure with baby Thanos. Buttons feel really clicky and everything. Lip protection. You got the bottom out as usual for these leather style cases. This is really nice. Feels really premium too. It feels really good. This might be the one I put on baby Thanos. I'm not sure. This is really hot though. Feels really good. And again, these are all dummy unit phones that I'm using, but they all work with wireless charging, so you're good to go. I'll have a link to all of these, or I'll have a link to their website in the description so you can go check these out. So if you do have any color, it's probably gonna look sweet with this case. This case has mad grip to it. It's serious. Got some drop protection. Got the little sloping design on this, on the bottom and top right there. That's pretty nice right there, man. Pretty nice. I'm feeling it, man. This really gives some flair to this phone right here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Power button look like it's gonna be real nice and clicky, and you get to show off whatever color phone you have. That's hot. So a few case rundowns for you right here for the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Nice little lineup from Olixar right here, man. This is pretty hot, man. I wanted to go ahead and throw this video up for you real quick, show you what was up. This thing is looking pretty good, man. All of these, I actually like all of these, man. And the most I like these two right here. This one's not my favorite, but just being real, but they all can do the job for you, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. A little bit of a case walkthrough for you from Olixar. Take care.